Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is January 9, 2024, Tuesday. Option expiry for FinNifty. First the levels, then the power of technical analysis. First, where it closed, FinNifty closed 21,197.25. Where it closed, 21,197.25, 0.45% down. BankNifty closed 47,242.65, 0.44% down. Nifty closed 21,544.85, 0.15% down. All formed, FinNifty, BankNifty, both, and also Nifty formed solid red candle. In fact, FinNifty and BankNifty formed very big red candle and decisively broke below the 20-day Bollinger Middle Band. Of course, it is below the 20-day exponential moving average also, but I wouldn't call it as decisive. It is below that. Probably yes, tomorrow there can be short covering that can come, but or it can continue. But Bollinger Middle Band is decisively broken and the exponential moving averages are decisively broken. However, Nifty manages to hold the Bollinger Middle Band and 20-day exponential moving average, which is relatively a good sign. That is what I would say. Before that, this is what the candle formed. What is the power of technical analysis? What is the level we said yesterday? Bollinger lower band, which was at 21,104. It never went there. Today's low was 21,155. You can see the power of technical analysis. So if someone masters technical analysis, he or she need not worry about anything else, and they can just trade whichever way they want and in whichever circumstances they want. That's the power of technical analysis. Of course, on the upward side, we had given us Bollinger upper band. There was no need to go there because it was 21,623. That is what it is. So from here, from this, I am sure you would have definitely understood the power of technical analysis and why technical analysis is the ultimate, right? So what made this such a fall? If you really look at the individual components, you will not see such a massive fall. But then why, if you ask any trader today, they will say that they had ended up miserable position today. First, the whoever has bought a put option, or whoever wrote call option in the morning till 2 o'clock, they would have been wiped out. And in the afternoon, whoever wrote put option or whoever bought call option, they would have been wiped. That is what it had happened. It had wiped both sides. Okay. But what made it do that? But when I read out all these stocks, you will find that there is not much of a fall. Then why this much of pain? Because the Nifty, all the components was holding till 215, 230. From there, it had a big fall. That is where people had incurred severe losses. Okay. If you see banks, HDFC and IDFC Bank fell 1%. Bandhan and Federal Bank 1% up. Others remained sideways. Then why such a hangama, hue and cry? Because of that reason. Right? Because for most part of the day, it was trying to hold above the exponential moving average, but later on it gave up and gave up decisively and gave up the Bollinger Band also decisively. That is why people had a huge loss today, though the fall is not significant. If you see, Bank Nifty fell only 0.45%. Fin Nifty, Bank Nifty also same. Nifty had only 0.15% fall. Then what is the such a hue and cry in the market? That's the reason. Financials, Bajaj Finserv, IDFC, L&T Finance, M&M Finance, Manappuram, Muthoot, Shriram 1% down. Insurance, nothing moved up. That's why you had banking and financial falling, Fin Nifty and Bank Nifty falling more than that Nifty. On the insurance and cards, HDFC Life, SBI Cards 1% down, LIC 1% up, SBI Life 2% up. Oil and telecom, Reliance remained flat, Bharti up 1%. On the IT, Emphasis down 1%, Birlasoft, HCL, LTIM 1% up, Intellect and LTTS 2% up, others remained sideways. That's why you had Nifty outperforming Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty. On the consumer goods, ABFRL, Asian Paints, Bata, Berger, Bata, Britannia, Nestle, PVR 1% down, Colpal 2% down, Page 3% down, and Trent 2% up. Automobiles, Escorts and TVS 1% down, Bajaj Auto, Bharat Forge, M&M, Maruti, Tata Motors 1% up, Hero Motors 2% up. Automobile is having a dream run, which you have been telling since last year onwards. You have been telling. On the metals, Coal India, Vedanta, Tata Steel, Jindal, NMDC 1% up, National Aluminium 3% up. That's why metals had a good day today. On the health and pharma, Lalpath 1% down, Cipla, Divis, Sun Pharma 1% up, Apollo Hospitals 2% up. In the others category, Jubilant Food and MCX 2% down. Polycab had a massive fall of 9%. So it is basically, some IT compliance issue and all those things. And unfortunately, this is the problem in India. Like we have, the compliance is weak in Indian system. That's why we are having such problems. Polycab is supposed to be a dream company. Of course, if you see technically, we have been telling last year itself, the run is over. The fuel is over. That is what we had said in 2023 December. Anybody who has any doubts, please go and see my 2023 video, December video, so you can see, you will know what we said. So more of technical, but the fundamental also combined, all these things are happening. Then you have L&T and Zomato 1% up, Adani Group, Adani Enterprise, Adani Ports 2% up, along with APL, Apollo and Indigo. Nykaa had a big move of 6%. So with all these things, what do we expect for option expiry for Bank Nifty tomorrow? On the resistance side, we have the 2023 close, which is at 48,292.95. That will act as a very powerful resistance for some time till this reversal happened, because last week it formed a hanging man, after which it opened a gap down. Hence, not till the end of this week, at least that will hold. Probably next week things can change. On the support side, I see that the Bollinger lower band is there, but I am not sure whether it will hold. Okay, we don't know. Okay, hence probably the safest thing one can think of is the weekly exponential moving average, 10-week exponential moving average, that is at 46,652. That is something which will act as a good support. If that also breaks, then 20-week exponential moving average, which is at 45,729, that is the only technical level that is available below this level. So we don't know. So probably we have to see. These are the levels within which one can think of. Thank you very much.